Leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi has spoken on the Goa club fire. He said that he is deeply pained by the tragic fire and that the Goa fire is not an accident. He calls it a criminal failure of safety and also says that the investigation must fix accountability, and he's in fact gone ahead to call it murder. Listen to what the Congress had to say.
गोवा के टूरिज्म हिस्ट्री में एक ब्लैक डे है। मुझे लगता है कि ये जानबूझ के लोगों का मर्डर किया गया है। जो हमको सूत्रों के माध्यम से जो पता चल रहा है कि ये क्लब को डिमोलिशन ऑर्डर निकाला था। इन्होंने ऊपर हायर अथॉरिटीज के पास जाके मंत्रियों का प्रेशर यूज करके ये डिमोलिशन को रोका। इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब है कि गोवा राज्य के मुख्यमंत्री ने स्वीकार किया है कि उसकी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन फेल हो चुकी है। वी डिमांड दैट द चीफ मिनिस्टर एंड all the ministers involved in giving the permissions to this, whether it is illegal, legal, we don't know. They have to resign immediately on moral and political grounds.
My colleague Sujata joins us with more details. Sujata, now politics having erupted on the issue as well, with Rahul Gandhi and the Congress calling it outright murder, saying that the safety lapses was the main reason for this fire in the first place.
Well, absolutely, and not just the entire Congress party, but several of these opposition leaders, they have now come up stating that this is one of the biggest murder that has happened in the state of Goa in its history, and because of which they are now demanding a probe, not just a thorough probe, but also a detailed inquiry of why was it that if a demolition order had been given for this particular nightclub, then it was not done. And they also allege that it was, all of these authorities and the staff of this particular nightclub who kept on bribing the officials, tried buying protection and manipulating their sources to ensure that they get to carry out their activities. And this led to this entire occurrence happening. And at this point, it is also, the state of Goa's Congress chief who alleges that this is a murder and this should be thoroughly probed, because he calls this a murder because of several reasons, where he states that the sarpanch of the village, when the incident occurred, he was at the site, and then he accepted that there was a demolition order that was that was out, but it was halted by making calls to the top-notch officials in the municipal body. And this is somewhere that also becomes a detailed angle of probe when it comes to the inquiry that has started by the municipal officials, as well as the forensic team, as well as the police officials of the state of Goa. And like the Chief Minister Pramod Sawant himself has said that nobody will be spared from their activities, and if there are lapses, they will be found out, they will be caught, and the culprit in the entire scenario will be punished. Now, for a matter of fact, we do know that the nightclub was operating without proper NOCs, without obtaining proper permissions, and no fire norms were followed and complied with. So what exactly were the grounds that they were operating on will be detailed and investigated accordingly, and thereafter a report will be submitted to the Chief Minister for him to make any announcement further. But so far we know that there were several of these protocols that were not followed, because of which 25 of these innocent individuals they lost their lives into this nightclub, which was one of the most popular nightclub. And like Rahul Gandhi, the LOP too, mentions in his tweet that this is one of such incidents that has never happened in the past. For the first time in the history of Goa, such incident has occurred, and this is not an accident, but a proper murder that has taken place. Back to you.
Thank you, Sujata, for joining us and bringing us those details.